Bereshit, chapter 20. Avraham traveled from there toward the land of the Negev, and lived between Kadesh and Shur. He lived as a foreigner in Gerar. Avraham said about Sarah his wife, "She is my sister." Avimelech, king of Gerar, sent and took Sarah. But Elohim came to Avimelech in a dream of the night, and said to him, "Behold, you are a dead man because of the woman whom you have taken, for she is a man's wife." Now Avimelech had not come near her. He said, "Adonai, will you kill even a righteous nation? Didn't he tell me, 'She is my sister'? Even she herself said, 'He is my brother.' In the integrity of my heart and the innocence of my hands have I done this." Elohim said to him in the dream, "Yes, I know that in the integrity of your heart you have done this, and I also withheld you from sinning against me. Therefore I didn't allow you to touch her. Now, therefore, restore the man's wife, for he is a prophet, and he will pray for you, and you will live. If you don't restore her, know for sure that you will die, you and all who are yours." Avimelech rose early in the morning, and called all his servants, and told all these things in their ear. The men were very scared. Then Avimelech called Avraham and said to him, "What have you done to us? How have I sinned against you, that you have brought on me and on my kingdom a great sin? You have done deeds to me that ought not to be done." Avimelech said to Avraham, "What did you see that you have done this thing?" Avraham said, "Because I thought, surely the fear of Elohim is not in this place. They will kill me for my wife's sake. Besides, she is indeed my sister, the daughter of my father, but not the daughter of my mother, and she became my wife. It happened when Elohim caused me to wander from my father's house, that I said to her, 'This is your chesed, which you shall show to me. Everywhere that we go, say of me, he is my brother.' Avimelech took sheep and cattle, male servants and female servants, and gave them to Avraham, and restored Sarah his wife to him. Avimelech said, 'Behold, my land is before you. Dwell where it pleases you.' To Sarah he said, 'Behold, I have given your brother 1,000 pieces of silver. Behold, it is for you a covering of the eyes to all that are with you. In front of all you are vindicated.' Avraham prayed to Elohim. Elohim healed Avimelech and his wife and his female servants, and they bore children. For Yahuwah had closed up tight all the wombs of the house of Avimelech because of Sarah, Avraham's wife.